Hello, I'm Liz. Welcome to Yutong High-End Workshop. As we all know, we have clients across the globe who have vastly diverse requirements, hence the need for a production line that caters to those differentiated demands, boost high flexibilities in manufacturing capabilities, adhere stringent assembly standard. So today I'm about to get our dear guest Steven on an exclusive tour.
Hi, I'm Steven.
Hi, I'm Liz from Yutong. Welcome to our high-end factory.
Thank you. Thanks for giving me this immersive tour. I'm really looking forward to it.
In here, we're committed to establishing an intelligent, efficient, user-friendly, and refined protection module.
Wow, at first glance, it is so clean and it looks efficient.
We also produce a precise, reliable, and high-quality product for our clients.
Wow, that's amazing. And I see that the vehicles are moving forward bit by bit. I thought I was dizzy.
The plate chain on the ground, it actually moves the buses forward. It shortens the delivery cycle of each bus, 60 minutes per vehicle. So we can take the buses offline for 45 minutes each. Wow,
that's really fast. It's absolutely astounding.
So Steven, at Yutong, we also prioritize the comfort of our employees. The equipment you see can automatically lift air conditioner weighing hundreds of kilograms into place. Power-assisted tooling is used for materials weighing more than 5 kilograms to improve the comfort of employees at work.
I love this kind of work.
Steven, there is much more to see.
Hey, watch this. Let's have a little fun. Stop!
I see you have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So this is our SPS material trolley. It uses a dedicated loop conveyor to actually automatically identify and deliver materials on time and in the right quantity, making the material distribution more intelligent.
Well, I love it. It's just like the cartoon movies where you see the automatic cart drive around by itself. But I think it's got a little track, doesn't it?
Yeah, also very safe functions.
Yeah. Well, let's let it go, okay? Good job, little buddy. 加油.
Steven, I think you will be very interested in what we're about to see next, our intelligent devices.
Wow, you piqued my curiosity.
For example, this is our automated blowing robot that can automatically complete the bottom coating and blowing operations on thousands of different sizes and types of glasses. We also have the winding robot that can weld materials automatically.
Wow, that's amazing. It's like machines from the future. So what does this computer do? I see a lot of them along the assembly line.
That is our industrial computer that is equipped at every key workstation. It facilitates accurate and efficient information, promoting paperless environments, plus it's very eco-friendly and all.
And I guess everyone along the assembly line can synchronize their own data at any of the stations.
Yes, that's correct.
Impressive.
Okay, so this is our intelligent automatic filling equipment. You can give it a try. Push the button on the front row.
And it stopped automatically.
Yeah.
All right, that was easy. This bus looks completed and ready to hit the road. Is this the final stage before test drive?
Almost. This is actually our quality reinspection process. So if any problems are detected during the process before they're going offline, inspectors jet them into the optimal state.
Well, the inspector's checking every little detail. I guess the requirements are pretty strict.
Exactly. It's required requirements to ensure customer satisfaction.
That's right.
So, Steven, this is what you have seen today at our high-end factory. What do you think?
Well, first of all, I'm really impressed by the production efficiency and all of the high-tech automation. It really opened my eyes. I'm also touched by the humanistic care. I mean, the workers have such a clean and safe environment to work in. But most of all, next time I ride an airport bus anywhere in the world, I know where it's going to come from.
So thank you for your recognition. We're continually striving for improvements, building better buses for better travel.
Well, today's visit has given me a greater understanding of Yutong's incredible manufacturing capabilities. I'd like to hear what you'd like to see in the next episode. Feel free to leave us a comment and let us know. Bye-bye.